The change in Earth's magnetic field. Dear starseeds, I am Alara from the Pleiadians. We are currently witnessing an aura of brilliance around your Earth, akin to a nova. At the beginning of June, there was a brilliant burst of liquid light that emanated from the magnetic core of the terrestrial plane. This light traveled across the entire planet and moved outward, altering the entire structure of Earth's magnetic field. Today, during this month of June, we announce that these bright frequencies will settle into a multidimensional energy shield as they continue to build into vibrational waves. Dramatically, the operation of Earth through this expansive quantum consciousness has formed a continuous spiral energy movement of light, much like a nova, which now envelops the planet. Growing and expanding continuously, it now aids in healing and cleansing dark energy. This new spiral of light acts like a magnetic coil, retaining 5D energies and repelling negative plasma emitted by your collective, as well as intentional dark magic. The frequency of your planet has fully aligned with the energy signature of the universal state of consciousness. We, the Pleiadians, along with other groups of universal life force, are actively witnessing a stable, pulsating, and brilliant light emanating around Earth. The impact of this fluid extends beyond the physical, deeply influencing your social and emotional interactions. This renewing energy fosters a sense of unity and compassion among beings, dissolving barriers of separation and promoting a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness of all life. This leads to more harmonious relationships and a more cohesive global community. Meditation, connection with nature, and conscious energetic work are valuable tools during this period of transformation. They will help stabilize your own energy field and contribute to the balance and harmony of the collective field, ready to take the quantum leap and reach a new level of life. Remember, in unity lies the true strength of this global transformation. It is a time of gratitude and celebration. Your dedication and effort have manifested this wave of liquid light, and now you are reaping the fruits of your labor. Every step you take forward on this path of light is a testament to your commitment to spiritual evolution and the well-being of the planet. Your physical bodies continue the process of transmutation, bringing in superior nutritional light to fortify your systems. You can consciously use this higher light to create what you desire in life. A quantum bridge has been formed between you and the multidimensional realms of God's unlimited creation energy, the divine self, or the Creator. The natural right to abundance is being reactivated. Your light enters your cardiac cells and interacts through your cerebral synapses. It is crucial that we cultivate gratitude and appreciation for each moment of connection with this luminous energy. Love and gratitude amplify the flow of positive energy, facilitating the integration of these new frequencies into our daily lives. We are the Pleiadians. I am overjoyed to transcribe this message. Let us continue in the light, stay bright to keep advancing with determination and hope. In unconditional love, I am Maria Lustig, guardian of the flame of light. Voiced by We Are Positive Worldwide. Always remember, you are the most important person in this world. We love you very much. We are with you every step of the way. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of eternal light and love. We are your beacon of light on the path. Thank you, thank you, thank you.